Hello everybody. Today I will explain how you can use Mixamo character with third-person controller which is supplied by Unity Starter asset. First of all, create a new 3D Unity project. As I create before, I won't create again. Open Unity Asset Store and import Starter asset to your project. I will continue with demo scene which is included to Unity Starter asset. There is a problem about materials as you can see. I will solve this problem by setting material shaders to standard. Choose all materials and set their shaders to standard. This is my solution about pink materials. You can solve this in different ways. I change player materials too, so it will seem normal. Unity third-person character seems perfect, but not enough for using this in a game. We can have lots of animated character by using Mixamo. They are free to use commercially. You can use these characters in your games. Log in with your Google account for downloading characters. Let us choose another character. This seems perfect. We can use this character, I think. Please download it same format like I show. Drag and drop downloaded file to your Unity project like this. Set materials and other settings like I show. Set rig humanoid especially. If you don't, you will probably face errors. Let us make it like this. Now I will explain how we can include this animation to controller, open player, and drag our downloaded character to geometry section and inactive armature mesh. Let us try this. There is a problem, as you see, about animations. Let us solve this problem too. For solving this problem, we should put our character's animation avatar to third-person controllers. Animation avatar section. Everything seems perfect. I will explain how you can include other animations to this character on my next videos. Thanks for watching me.